If you have been struggling to start up your own personal business simply because you don't have the capital to get started, then worry no more. Because in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the exact strategies I use in setting up a very profitable dropshipping business that earns me up to 50,000 naira monthly using just my smartphone to market other people's products on my social media handle. This is something you can do as well if only you are willing to learn and implement everything I'm about to share with you in this very video. Dropshipping is all about reselling other people's products to make profit for yourself, which means you don't need to own your own personal product before you can actually resell it, right? And note, this is not affiliate marketing where you have to refer someone to buy someone else's product before you can make money for yourself. No, as a dropshipper, what you simply do is to approach suppliers who sell certain products that you know you can market efficiently. Then you notify the supplier that can actually help them sell and market their product on your social media handles. Of course, the suppliers are going to be so happy that you're actually going to help them market their product. So, for instance, if a supplier is selling a particular product for 1,000 naira, you doing dropshipping for this supplier, you can post this, take picture of this particular product, post it on your social media handle, either on your Facebook, your WhatsApp, or your Instagram. You post it for the rate of 1,500 naira. Of course, when people buy it from you at that 1,500 naira, you pay 1,000 naira to the supplier, you get the product from the supplier and ship it down or maybe it's down to the person that just made payment for it. That's the person that bought the product, right? Of course, you've made 500 naira. If you calculate 500 naira times 100, which means if you can make 100 sales in a month, you've made 50,000 naira for yourself. Trust me, this is a very cool way of making money using just your smartphone to resell other people's products on your social media handle. You don't need any capital to get started, right? But before you can actually become successful as a dropshipper, there are some things you need to look out for. And these are the key points I'm about to share with you in this video. These are what I've experienced so far from my life experience doing dropshipping. These are some of the things I experienced that if you can get them in place, you are going to become successful in the next few months. Trust me on this, okay? But before I go on with sharing this point, please do me a favor. Just kindly do it to smash on that like button to enable this video get more people. And in case you're yet to subscribe to the channel, please do it to smash that subscription button so you will also be the first person YouTube will notify when I upload valuable content like this. The number one key that guarantees your success as a dropshipper is picking a particular niche. So, like I said initially, for you to become successful as a dropshipper, you need to pick a product that you know you can market efficiently. This has to do with, for instance, if you know how to market clothes very well, it's better you go into the clothing line alone as a beginner, right? If you know you can market shoes very well, it's better you go into the shoes line as a beginner. If you can market jewelries, can market accessories, anything you know you are good at, just make sure you focus on that aspect. It's not so okay for you to start selling. Today you are selling kitchen utensils, tomorrow you are selling clothing, the next day you are selling hairs. People may not really take you so serious, right? So it's better you niche down to a particular product that you know you can market efficiently. That's what I mean by picking a niche. So picking a niche should also means that you pick something you can market efficiently, something that you know people will definitely buy from you if you start marketing it on your social media platform or your social media. The second determinant of your success is finding reliable suppliers. So after you successfully picked out your niche, that's the product you know you can market efficiently. The next thing you've got to do is to look out for suppliers who sell those products, the kind of products you want to resell in bulks. So let's assume if you are selling kitchen utensils, you want to start selling kitchen utensils. What you have to do is to look out for suppliers who sell kitchen utensils in bulk. So it's advisable you start with your locality, like your region. You look for suppliers who are into kitchen utensils if that's what you are selling, or if you're into clothing, you look out for those who sell clothes. You reach out to them, you meet them, and say, "Sir or ma, I want to actually resell your product. I want to resell, like I want to be a drop shipper for reselling your product on my social media handle." So you let them know before you actually start even posting this product on your social media handle. And it's advisable you get up to 5 suppliers. Know that you've gotten 5 suppliers. Like these suppliers knows you that this is what you are going to be doing with them, right? Know up to 5 suppliers before you get started. The number three determinant of your success as a dropshipper is creating an online store. So after you successfully gotten the product you want to sell, that's picking your niche. And secondly, you've reached out to supplier that you are going to be getting the product you will dropship from. The next thing is to create your online store where you will be posting this product that you want to resell. By creating an online store, what you simply need to do is to take pictures or videos of this product you want to resell from the supplier. You take pictures of this product, you take videos, and then start posting on your social media platform consistently. Please mark that word, consistently. You have to be consistent with posting these pictures or videos for people to actually trust you that you are the one selling this product. Okay, so after you've gotten your niche, you've gotten the suppliers, make sure you stay consistent with posting these pictures or videos of the product you are reselling on your social media consistently. That's what I mean by creating your online store, because the more you post the product, the more people believes in you that yes, you are the one selling this product. So you have to be consistent if you actually want to be successful with this business model. The number four determinant of your success as a dropshipper is to market aggressively on your social media handles. So after you successfully picked a niche, you've gotten a suppliers, and you've set up to your store, which is posting regularly, the next step is to start marketing regularly, aggressively, and consistently. Okay, because this is the only way you get people to trust you. All you have to do is to start posting this product on your WhatsApp, your Instagram, and your TikTok daily. Like, do it daily, because if you keep on doing it, people will actually have to trust in you and start purchasing from you. And also make sure you have some knowledge about this product as well, so that when you have questions relating to this product, you may be able to respond to people. Like, you need to let them know how the product works. You do some educational content about the product as well, but you have to be consistent doing it. You post regularly on your social media platforms or your social media handles. And this, trust me, in the next few months, you also start seeing results as well. I believe this video was helpful. In case you have any other step or any other idea that we can add to improve our dropshipping business, please do it to leave it in the comment section below. I will so much appreciate it. And in case you have any question or any comment relating to this very video, don't also hesitate to ask it in the comment section of this video as well. Don't forget to subscribe if you're yet to do so, and also do it to hit on that like button to enable this video get more people. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Peace out.